We're going to replace the wheels on this 2-wheel Travelpro roller bag. Love this roller bag, absolutely fantastic. Nice interior and all. When I was last abroad, I did an issue where the wheel finally lost its rubber. So it has a kind of a 2-layer system where it's got external rubber and then an internal hard plastic. So the rubber has all come off by now. Luckily there was hard plastic so it could continue to roll even though it lost its rubber, so it was pretty loud. I thought that I looked online, I thought I had to take this whole casing off because there was another version of Travelpro where you had to do that. But then I noticed that there was this single screw and what looks like a kind of a housing. So I just took off that one screw there and put a flathead screwdriver right in here, and amazingly, like a feat of masterful engineering and product design, the wheel carriage pops out. So now I just need to remove this central axle. Not quite sure how to do that. I think I'm gonna, oh look at that, it just pushes right out. Oh my god, I think I love Travelpro. Okay, so literally 1 second later, took my screwdriver, pushed on the axle, and it is coming right out. What a friendly company. They just made me a customer for life, I think. Because I think then this will just pop right out. And that nastiness is what I've got to replace. And I just pop it right back in. I love you, Travelpro. So it's a bit of magic. We will come right back. I did forget one thing, which is that I need to make sure that I know what the diameter of these wheels are. I'm looking online and there are quite a few different variations. So I did have a handy caliper. So what I did was I basically took kind of the midpoint of the housing, where the axle is, read that off, and it is, this is centimeters on the bottom there. Zoom in, but that's 38 millimeters, or 3.8 centimeters. Now if I look on the wheel, roughly, we've got just the kind of the hard plastic. So yeah, there'd be plenty of, you can imagine like another layer of soft rubber around that wheel. And the 38 millimeter radius, which would be, what is that, 76? Yeah, 76 millimeter housing diameter could fit, say, a 70 millimeter wheel, even a 75 millimeter wheel, but that'd be a little tight probably. So I think I'm looking for somewhere around a 70 millimeter wheel. Okay, so just in case it's of interest, I did decide to double check the diameter here before I ordered. So this is 6 millimeters. See it, 0.6 centimeters there. I also checked the width here. Sorry, we're gonna see if I can zoom out here so you can see me while I do this one-handed. That both of the bearing of the, sorry, of the, yeah, I guess it's the width at the bearing. I believe it came out to about 21 millimeters if I remember. Let's see here. What was it? 20. That's showing 28, but I think it was 27 when I did it last time. Let's see if I did it again. It's showing 28 millimeters. And then kind of the width of the wheel itself, which was sitting at about 20, 23, 24 millimeters. And I compared that to what was online to get exactly the right part. And just like that, it's done. A quick order. Travelpro sells high quality wheels online. And there's the old one. There's a new one. Looks great. And really, it only took me a screwdriver. I love Travelpro. Amazing. And just like that, they are done. That was literally about a 3-minute repair. Really only needed one screwdriver. Had a second one just to pry this up. 2 screws. Slide it up and out. Swap the new one in. Put it back in. Screw it down. Thank you, Travelpro.